come. Let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues right here. Remember, I talked about this yesterday, 1 p.m. I said that if this happens tomorrow, it will be great. Yesterday, 1 p.m., you already saw it coming, so you have to prepare. You know exactly what to prepare for. This is systematic selling, controlled selling, right? So you have to prepare for something like that. Take a look today. Take a look. Absolutely beautiful. Now, how do you enter a trade like that? I will show you, even though you missed the start. There are still plenty of profits to be found in the charts today. Right, I talked about waiting for cups to close. Do you see it close here with the SPY? Yes. So we were waiting for a handle here before it starts pushing up. So you see cups already closed here with the green algorithm, and you were waiting for certain structure right there, isn't it? And so today, 9:38, I told you, do not short this until you can find a magenta algorithm that didn't appear only after the push up right here. So 9:38, quite straightforward. We identified the teal. We just had to wait for that structure. Now, it's a pity it didn't go deep enough. It is, but so be it, because it still broke out of that teal algorithm here. You just see it so beautifully. And by 9:38, we've already identified this. I took a trade, I oversized. I could have captured more of the move, but it didn't matter. I will show you how I got another 100% trade later on. But that's understandable. So how do you catch a trade like that? Context, right? From yesterday. So it's important you have to watch the videos every day. This is why I thank you firstly for spending the time. But you have to watch videos every single day so you can understand the context and understanding the structure. In this case, closing the cup, waiting for a handle here, and after which understanding continuation structure right there. Now, there is just continuation structure here. No reason to short this. No reason at all. And once we identify the pink algorithm, I will show you my 100% trade here. Only after identifying the pink algorithm at 136. Now, you see that the market has built more liquidity here as well. And so this becomes quite straightforward for you to take the trade off that orange. And subsequently, for a brief period of time, breaking out in that green. This was my 100% trade right there. Now, it's still possible to capture 100% trade, even though it is a very, very tight chop here. Now, who's going to suffer today? People who are calling the reversal are going to suffer. And just take a look. We identified the magenta algorithm to the penny. If there is a reversal